This English vocabulary quiz consists of 25 questions, which will assess your competence in using the appropriate word in the given context. Are you ready? Let's get started. After the argument, he made a sincere to his sister. The company plans to more workers next month. She was too nervous to her opinion in the meeting. The town has a very low rate this year. The flight was delayed because of bad She showed great when she waited quietly for her turn. The police are still trying to the cause of the accident. We need to are shopping because we don't have enough money. She was very about her future and worked hard every day. He was unable to the package because it had no address. The novel gives a detailed of life in the 19th century. The hotel offers free breakfast as part of the We walked through the forest and enjoyed the surroundings. The roads were closed due to heavy after the storm. The manager asked everyone to remain during the emergency. They had to, several times before finding the hotel. The teacher praised the class for their excellent. He made a poor decision and had to. For it later. The painting was damaged and needed. We reached to solve the problem peacefully. The museum is open to the public, but only at certain. She was, by the unexpected news. They decided to the old building and make it modern. You should not. Your voice in the library. The workers went on strike to demand better. Don't forget to share your score in the comments section. If you're new here, make sure to like and subscribe for more useful content. See you in our next videos.